welcome to Icebird, a video for all kinds of construction toys review. Today I'm going to give you insights on Knex Icebird disc figure, the Icebird. So let's check this one out.
Like any Angry Birds, this Angry Birds also doesn't have studs, but has this kind of new mold. This is one piece. So I don't like the idea of putting this here. It should be two piece. But anyway, this is Knex way of showing. This is a unique piece. Tag with some antenna. So, and this is the Icebird from Angry Bird Space. His face made of hard rubber and slots here, so it also fit on this kind of sling. So this is the Icebird from Angry Bird Space.
Now you saw the Angry Birds blue or the Icebird from Angry Bird Space. So basically this is another figure from the laser pack.